Today is May 3 and we'll be going to the concert later of TJ Montade and KZ Tandingan. Pero sobrang shit ko kasi naligaw ako. Pupunta muna kasi kami ng Anna's Burgers sa St. Catherine Docks dito. And naligaw na ako, guys. Ay, I'll be back later. Yung pinto?
Magkas ka?
Sabi ko, hala, saan
Baka naka-vlog.
Hello, hello. Ay.
Halika. Nakita ko ito, parang...
Kaya ako din pinili dito kasi nga maganda yung view. Pero naman, hindi ko naman alam kung saan. Alan! Sabi ko, nasan ba yung pinto?
For the burger, what burger you have? The double Can we have 2 orders of the double smash?
Oo, mahaba pa yung araw, no?
Yeah. And it comes with the chips already.
Oh, wait.
Yeah. That's it.
And for me, that's going to be chimichurri.
How would you like it cooked?
Can I have double smash instead?
You can.
Yeah, right? And what else? With Ate Ann! See you later, alligator. kung ano ba. Ang lukatas. JC, waiting.
John Prats lang talaga. John Prats lang. Gusto ko lang isigaw, hi you are JCS, batang X lahat na.
Right ahead.
Hello, vlogger!
Hello, vlog world. Hi. Hi. Ano na naman
Hello, Pimp po ako ngayon. I'm with the magagandang dilags. Hi.
Bye.
What the? Tata. Tata. Hi. This is Post, TJ, KZ,
The
Monterle. Concert. The concert was really, really good. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng kapamilya namin. Wow! Mga dumalo po sa mga kapamilya, ako po yung producer. Cousin ko po si John Prats. No, the concert was really good. What I really liked the most is the lights. Amazing. The smoke. What I really like are the visuals, but also TJ's storytelling.
Yeah.
Every single time, what he does is he takes us into why he wrote the song.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, he sings the song and take that journey with us. So take the journey with us as we go out, Mama Son. Bye guys, have a nice day.
Ano ba? Palit naman ng London. Paano pa na
Thank you po. Ngayon po, papunta po tayo. Welcome po. Welcome to London's Chinatown. You know, one of the historical things about London Chinatown
Sa magiging tour guide yan.
during the 90s, when the British government actually gave Hong Kong, which used to be a British colony, to the UK. The London Chinatown was a big thing for the Cantonese communities. Because, I don't know if you know, but fun fact, in the UK, every city in the UK has a Chinatown. And London is the home. Kaya nga, yun nga yung sinasabi ko eh.
The biggest one? Talaga?
It's the biggest one, but it's also the mother of all the...
Mother of all the Chinatown, yeah?
When you have trust issues as
Apa, yeah. Yeah, so ito po yung naging refuge ng mga Hong Kongians.
Hong Kongians.
And also, they also signed a treaty that anyone who was part or was born in Hong Kong during the whole British colony, they actually are able to claim British citizenship. Did you know that? Hindi mo alam yan. Kaya ka nag-tour, kaya ka nag-action camera.
Oo, tama. Kaya ka nandito.
Punta po ang aming team! Naghahanap po kami ngayon ng toilet para kay Achi Justine. Ngayon po medyo pawisik-wisik na po ng slide.
Trying the ano po, Mango Dream. Yun lang po. Sige, kame. Hindi na lang.
Ano?
Ganun lang siya. Tada!
Actually, that's the cheapest.
Alyo-olyo na lang kaya. Sobrang mura. Sobrang mura.
Bye. Bye po, sana po na-enjoy niyo yung tour namin. Hindi nakita yung bike. Pero B-roll, watch this. Ooh! Ate Justine. Everybody.
Binigyan ng shift today. Parang mas gusto ko itong pagka-coordinate ko kumpara sa Tokyo kasi sobrang tapang.
Ito, Tokyo?
Oo. Ewan ko. Baka tagal ko na lang ulit hindi nakakatikim
Hindi ko
ng
pa
curry.
natikman yung curry sa Tokyo. Yan, bait mo naman.
Grabe. Sobrang ang anghang.
Okay.
Very good, very good.
This one, but then a little bit shorter, but because it's like disconnected layers underneath, and then this just on top, so it gives that bounce.